do I need a family law attorney to help me with my divorce or my child custody issue or things like that? And the answer is it depends. And I'm not trying to be coy in saying that. A fair number of people that come in and speak to us aren't really sure what direction they want to go. And that's okay. If you're not sure if you want to get a divorce, sitting down and talking with us can help in that decision-making process. We can explain your legal rights. We can explain the finances of how that works and what legal fees are and things of that nature. Now, overall, do I need a lawyer for a divorce? You don't have to have an attorney. There are very few cases in North Carolina where the court actually requires you to have an attorney. Having said that, I think it's a really good idea. Marriage and being married involves a pretty complicated consideration of the largest assets in your life, and getting that separated in a fair and equitable way takes a fair amount of thought. And so people regularly say, well, I have a simple divorce, it's not that big of a deal. And my response is often, well, I know that may seem that way, but have you thought about X, Y, and Z? Have you thought about the mortgage on your house? Have you thought about retirement accounts? Have you thought about the visitation issues or who has custody of the kids? Have you thought about post-separation support? Have you thought about alimony? Who's the dependent spouse? Who's the supporting spouse? Are there dependent and supporting spouses, as the case may be? All of that takes some time, and I think it helps to have an approach of sitting down, and we actually use spreadsheets. There's a fair amount of accounting in divorce cases. And we go through and figure out what assets are and who contributed what. And it probably would surprise you the value that you have accrued in being married, unless it's a very, very short period of time. You probably have more assets and more entanglements, if you will, than you may realize. So we encourage you, give us a call. The first thing we'll do is what's called a conflicts check. We want to make sure we're available for representation. We want to make sure we don't have any conflicts of interest. Then we will explain to you the costs associated with the initial consultation. We normally charge a flat fee for the initial consultation, and then we'll also explain how hourly rates work and things of that nature. And then we'll kind of roll up our sleeves and explain big picture the process. I like to start, like I say, satellite, looking down towards Earth and then getting down to granular, looking at the grains of sand on the ocean. So we'd love to help. I'm honored that you checked our website. And the answer to your question is, do I need a family law attorney? My response to you is probably yes. I don't think it hurts to have a lawyer on your side representing your best interest and trying to effectuate your goals in ending the marriage. Look forward to hearing from you.